Welcome back, Facebook users. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn on notifications for activity from pages you follow on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. 1. Open Facebook. 2. Click on the notification icon from the top right corner. 3. Click on the three dots. 4. Click on Notification Settings. A settings menu will appear. Choose the option Notification Settings. 5. Scroll down to find pages you follow and click on it. Scroll through the notification settings until you find the section labeled Pages you follow. Click on it. 6. Toggle on the switch next to Allow Notifications on Facebook under. These are notifications about activity in pages that you follow. Enable the option Allow Notifications on Facebook by toggling on the switch. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll start receiving notifications for activity from the pages you follow on Facebook. Stay updated and never miss any important updates or announcements. Thanks for watching.